DJT, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Trump media stock sitting at 17.12. 1.7% down Friday is crazy, but I personally myself am just still looking, and I'm very open to the bullish idea, but seems like that dream is kind of dying out, because the only way, only way that I'm going to take something bullish here is going to be if there is a double break above this zone. Let me show you. If there is a double break above, here it is, above 25-ish dollars. You know, if the price does not start giving me breaks above that, I personally would not be interested. And I'm telling you this honestly speaking, like, because that's exactly what I'm going to wait for. And if it doesn't give me the rules, then I'm not going to buy. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will see you in the next one. You know, it's completely free, so go ahead and enjoy. And here it's going to be a waiting game. Like if it just manages to go even lower, we're getting rid of this. So that's that.